BabyBus.
Town life. Astronaut. Police. Let's put it to police car. Thief. Police station. The police will help catch the bad guys. Let's experience it together. Hello, this is the police station. If you have any problems, you can ask me for help. We have a case to solve this time. We have a new case. The little cat has been abducted by a bad guy. We caught some suspicious people, but who is the real bad guy? Sheriff Kiki, I saw the bad guy at the crime scene. The bad guy ran so fast that I didn't see his face clearly. Please think it over. What are the features of the bad guy? The bad guy is wearing a green outfit. Please identify the real bad guy based on Miss Rabbit's description. Yes, yes! You got it! Yes, you got it! Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. You got it! The bad guy is wearing a pair of black glasses. Yes, yes! Yes, yes! You got it! The bad guy is tall. Yes, yes! You got it! The bad guy left footprints like these when ran away. Great! We found the real bad guy!
Wow!
Miss Rabbit, thanks for the clues.
Wow!
Great! The cases were solved. Wow! Here are the coins from my hard work. This profession is so interesting. Building worker. Food processing worker.